diamonds are symbolic of all the pressure they put on me until I shine. My life is symbiotic with the culture, I could never ever lose the vibe. Make sure they rolling one up for me, cause it's been a long ride. We doing this one for Money T, keep his name alive. Hold up. I know how to make an entrance. I'll hop out the truck in the fur with some henchmen. You can skip the introduction. I'm introverted. I don't want your attention. Stand on whatever I say. I'll say it to your face. I don't do it in mentions. I believe God had to put me through hell so that I could learn me a lesson. I was 11, sharing a bed with my dad, but didn't have a bedroom. In a recession, 6 of us in a Ford Explorer, didn't have legroom. Everything's destined. It was inevitable. I take on his aggression. Mad at the world cause I'm feeling rejected. Guess that I gotta be a legend. Holy shit.
Showing naked ass, C-Town, bring them slabs out.
Open the toilet and took a piss. Open my mouth, I'm talking shit. Open accounts cause this money don't fit in the safe. My account can't count the shit. This look counterfeit. If I wear it, its prices can't counterfeit. Stack it up tall as a mountain is. I grow money on trees like a botanist.
When you dropping it?
Right now, I just made the hardest shit I ever heard right now. Wait a minute, look where I was and where I'm at right now. In a plane with no passengers in it, over Cleveland about to touch down. I got the car keys in the car heart. I don't need them, no, I push in the car start. I got the icing like a Pop-Tart, and I stay spitting fire like a Charizard. I used to be broke, couldn't afford a heater way back in the day when I was opening for Wiz Khalifa. I just got myself out of a misdemeanor. He said that he wasn't there, I told him that I wasn't either. I broke every bone except my middle finger. Only had a heartbreak once, I won't have two. Free young thug, pour 2 liter. Why is everybody singing like the Dua Lipa? La 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 la. Hey, we doing this shit one take. Green light, don't stop, go. I wear chains with my shirt off when I get my dick up. And she keep it in her throat like she got the hiccups. I ain't talk about no mouth though if we hit the lick up. I don't sell, I used to snort the shit, open that brick up. I don't give a fuck about who's streaming, pull the list up. I'm a father, look at what I did to raise these kids up. There won't be a day I need a vest under my zip up. Cause every time they try to send a shot, it always missed us. Dude, I hear that shit in real life. I do not fear the afterlife. My cousin tried to suffocate me, said the voice in his head was Jesus Christ. Healing my bruise with a piece of ice. I held on myself when I needed a family, instead I was left on my own device. Swallowed a pill like a piece of rice. I slept in the attic, had demon nights. That's in the house off Lee Road. I saw my friend's eyes change. Now he just a body with no soul. I've been in the game, got a lot of exes. Look like a cheat code. I had a couple rappers leaving out the spot with their teeth broke. You can see the double R's when I creep slow. You can't have my dick if you can't deep throat. Yeah, turn up my voice, make this beat low. I create the wave, but I don't own no beach clothes. Lately I've made a lot of enemies. Lately I've been going through it mentally. So I got a palm and a rock in a pocket in public, protecting my energy. Spiritually you couldn't measure me. My soul has been here for a century. We came out of high school together and now we tweaking off the methamphetamine. We thought I was like real up the way shit. You see the double X's? We outside, bitch. Thought I was like real Cleveland shit. You see those double X's? We outside, bitch. Yeah, meet me on floor 13.